Are you tired of guessing which backlinks actually help your SEO? Learn to analyze any site's link profile in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the Semrush Link Building Tool step by step. You'll see exactly how to uncover competitor backlinks and find new opportunities. Let's start by heading to the Link Building Tool in Semrush. Go ahead and click on Try It Free to get started. You'll see an overview that says, Get a complete view of any site's backlink profile. Now, type in the domain you want to analyze. Then click on Analyze to pull up the data. Once the report loads, click on Referring Domains. Next, click on Authority Score. Then, click on Referring Domains again. Now, click on New and Lost Referring Domains. Click on Categories of Referring Domains. Then, click on Referring Domains by Authority Score. Next, click on TLD Distribution. Then, click on Link Profile Distribution. Finally, click on Top Pages. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.